We've experienced a winter wave of COVID and a Delta wave of COVID. But right now, this is the first time we're experiencing a winter Delta wave, which combines a more spreadable variant with the most spreadable time of the year for respiratory viruses. And as you may know, cases have been rising lately, but we are still doing much better now than we were on this day last year in every respect. The 2-week positivity rate is currently at 3.88% and climbing. But look, back on November 30th of last year, it was at over 5% and climbing. And remember, even if the vaccines are not stopping infections quite as well without booster shots, they still continue to be very strong at stopping severe disease and death. Because look at these hospitalization and death numbers year over year. They are way down from last year when there were no vaccines available. So how's this wave comparing to other waves at their peaks? Well, as you can see, up to this point, each wave in Connecticut has been successively less severe, both in terms of positivity rates and in terms of hospitalizations. And that's going from this first wave in April of 2020 to the winter wave, then the Delta wave, and to where we are now. Unfortunately, though, that trend is starting to change in some areas. Now, here's how high the positivity rates got in each of those waves. I'm actually not even putting the first wave on here because test levels were so low. At one point, we were averaging over 30%. But you can see, since then, we're already seeing an average positivity rate higher than it was during that first Delta wave. And hospitalizations might overtake the Delta wave soon, too. Again, because that first Delta wave happened back in the summer when people weren't cooped up inside spreading the virus like they are now. Also, note just how much vaccines have lowered these numbers overall. From the first two peaks, these numbers are way down. And the drop in deaths has been even more dramatic than that. And really, it's the best evidence I can give you at this point of the true effectiveness of the vaccines. At one point, if you can remember, we were averaging over 100 COVID deaths a day in Connecticut. As of right now, it's 4. I'm Tim Lammers, Fox 61 News.